Ya, Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawalah wa ba'd. So today I'm going to talk you about the video tutorial 3 that is about AGRP filtering prefix list in. Yeah. So this before this I'm continue the configuration. Before in the tutorial 2 I'm explain about this AGRP basic configuration. That is, you can install the IP address and then you can add the router AGRP10 and network. Yes, and then same to the router 1, 2, and 3. Yeah, that is same. You can add the IP address and then add your network for agency. Yeah, and then is filtering distribute list. That is that is access list 129 222 and permit any. This is in the tutorial 2, and then so in this video I want to talk you about this the new lab, that is lab 3, that is AGRP filtering prefix list in. Yeah, so here you can make building, you can make again your lab. Yeah, and then there is 3 router here. Before that I want to explain you about AGRP filtering prefix list in. Yeah. Okay, so the first is AGRP basics. AGRP is a distant vector routing protocol, or Cisco proprietary, now partly open. Yeah, and then router exchange routers with neighbors using hello package and dual algorithm. And then by default, a router learns all the network its neighbors advertise. But in some cases, you don't want all routers that were filtering coming. Okay, and the second is what is filtering? Filtering means controlling which router are allowed or blocked. Without filtering, routers learn everything from neighbors. With filtering, routers learn only select router. Okay, and then the third is prefix list. The filtering tool. Think of the prefix list as fine-grained filter for network, and more powerful than standard access list because you can specify exact prefix range, prefix 24 or prefix 25 and more, and you can allow deny range or subnet. Yeah, and then the benefit, why use it? Security, stop unwanted or malicious routes, and the performance, smaller routing table and less CPU and memory usage the router. And then third is policy control. Only learn the networks you want, and then troubleshooting easier to break specific routes. And the short is AGRP filtering prefix list in, a way to filter inbound routers from neighbors using prefix list. So only the desired network enter your routing table. Yeah, So I want to explain you about this from configuration in the router one. Okay, the first is you can interface gigabyte Ethernet 1/0. It is the port to the router 2, and then you can add the IP address. You can add the 12.12.12.1 and then 255.155.0, and then you can no shutdown. This no shutdown for the active your port in your router to router 2, and then you can add the router HRP10, and then you can install the network before network 12.12.12.1 and then 0 for the network, yeah, and then 0.0.0.0. I don't know auto summary for the and then you can now auto summary for the concise the IP address. And then for the router 2 you can see the configuration. So here there is interface fast internet 0/0. This router 2 to router 3, and then you can add the IP address 23.23.23.2, and then and then no shutdown for the active, and then this interface gigabytes 1/0, and then 12 IP address 12.2, and then this for the subnet, and then no shutdown for the active, and then the router HRP10. This is for the connected for all the routers, like there is network 12 and network 23, and then now the summary. And then for the router 3 there is you can add the interface fast and 0/0, and then IP address 23.3, and then no shutdown for the active. And then there is interface loopback. Interface loopback, and then you can add the IP address 3, and then 3.17, and then 3.33, and 3.100, and then 3.150, and then 3.200, and router HRP 10 and network 0 auto summary. Okay, so and then you can show IP route. So here there is network 3, and then this is for the routing table. This use the distance AD from HRP via to line 12.2 all. So in the show IP route for the router 2, same like router 3, and then you can use this. You can install IP prefix list HRP in, and then you can add the IP prefix list HRP in sec10 3.3.3.0/24 28, and then this for the second config, that is IP prefix list HRP in sec 20 permit 0/0 le 32, and then router HRP 10 distribute list perfect HRP in is in. So before there is some more the 3 IP address 3, and then so this so later because are they using prefix list in. Yeah, so continue here the this router. Okay, for the filtering prefix out the same in before, but this yeah, for the config is router HRP 10 no distribute list perfect HRP in. This for the delete your before your configuration, and now you can before that you can show IP route. The router to routing table will normally like before use the perfect list. So here you can add the configuration like this: IP perfect list HRP out sec 10 deny 3 .0/24 g 28 30, and then the second configuration IP prefix list HRP out sec 20 permit 0/0 le 32, and then you can enter the router HRP 10 that is distribute list prefix HRP out and out. Yeah, and then it is considered the routing table. Yeah, so yeah, maybe that's all from me about the HRP filtering prefix list out and HRP filtering prefix list in. Yeah, maybe that's all from me. Thank you very much, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.